Wait, Celine. Please, don't leave. I know I can be a little bit harsh sometimes.
A little bit.
Okay. I can be harsh, but that's just me being protective. But I
understand. I've done all I could to help you and I've played my part, so maybe we shouldn't see each other anymore. That's what you're gonna say, right?
that me that I say. What I really want to say is thanks. I know you put your job on the line and make a sacrifice to help me out of the situation. And I'm eternally grateful.
You're most welcome, Mr. Wallace.
Now, with that said, I have a concern.
What's that?
Something my Tony said to me when he come to my office the other day.
What?
Him say, my proof that me have somebody I check the registry for him data papers.
And you sure him not just call your bluff to see how you react?
Not possible. But please, be careful.
Wow.
Oh what?
That sounded so genuine.
You got jokes. I saw what you did there.
You did?
Yeah?
And I saw what you did too.
What me do?
Conveniently didn't answer the question because they didn't want to tell me if it's coming from a place of truth.
Is that what you think? Why do you think that?
It's okay, Mr. Wallace.
Is it okay, Miss Cullingham?
Yes, it is. But seriously though, be careful of Tony Xpressionz. His back is against the wall, so it makes him even way more dangerous.
Yeah. I'll definitely take heed to your counsel and advisement.
Good. Now have a wonderful rest of the evening.
See, I have another concern. You ever really seriously think about what would have happened if your boss, Mr. Mullings, find out what you do? Helping me?
I've thought about it.
And it could get you into serious trouble, right?
It could be way deeper than that. But it would be worth it. Why you never kiss him? You fool, you know?
Why you never kiss her? You're so fool. Next time.
Maybe next time.
How you know you're gonna see her again?
If you want to see her again, you blow your chance. Next time.
a boss. Wow. Hold on. You sure someone again?
Yeah, I'm following man. I don't know.
There, man. So you boss say.
I don't say boss, but I don't know. Say I'm here for early that too.
In a real life?
Yeah, man. I'm here with the thing, man. Right.
So, you are the boss of business?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That is it, man.
No, respect, no respect. Yeah, man, we know the boss can make more than the rest of the boss and get, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Strong up the system and down on the road again.
That is it, man.
So,
Yeah,
is an investment this and that?
yeah, basically, you know. So they have to be some of the boss here, man. That's secret.
Yo, rate that thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Rate it. So, how you going, my run?
Boy, I did say, come down, Lord, still, you know.
Yeah?
Then my dog, you put it down and go and hold it. You see me?
That's good, you know. That's good, man. But here now,
Yeah.
you used to supply me some of the things them too, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because there's some of the things them on the farm selling, so you supposed to have supply, but even though we have them things up on the farm still have something that support the business.
Yeah, which is right.
Which is right.
Yeah.
See, yeah, man, it's a good investment. We like that, brother.
Okay.
We like it, man.
Yeah.
So you know, say, yeah. But then I'm trying to figure out when we forgot for the volcano and we forgot for the protein shake. I see volcano now. You see that sit there?
Yeah.
It's rough how they pack things in.
I never lie, man. But watch out now. You see the one down here, Amazon? The one they have in all is spirulina, you know. Oats, peanuts, spirulina, all of them things. The sunflower, flaxseed, you know. Yeah, so I feel like so that I best one for you, though.